Welcome to W Cube. Be calm and enjoy the process. For the string operations, for the part 2, we started with slicing. Slicing, you can extract a substring from a string using slicing operation. In slicing operation, there will be always the start will include and the end will exclude. Here is the slicing parameter. It is a slicing parameter like start, end and stop. You can write as str1 started with 1 and ended with 4. It will start with the address 1 and end with the address 3, 2, 3, YTH. This is how slice operations work. You can as well as use it as um, adding some extra steps in that. One by one and adding 2 by 2. Is the second one length. Length is a basic common operation or a operational used in string. You can find the length of the string using the length built-in function in Python. You can use length str1 will print the length of the string z1 2 3 4 5 6 and how many characters a sequence of characters are enclosed with the double quotes in Python. You will use the length of string like this, and you will use length of strings in the and upcoming tutorials, like we use in the range functions or some other calculator systems in Python. And the third one, conversions using methods. There are the conversions using method systems in Python. There are more methods in Python followed by the strings. I can explain the methods first. You can observe it later like a beginner. A method is a function that is associated with an object or a data types that we say strings, list, sets, dictionary, tuples, etc. whatever it in the Python data structures. Have the methods that are specific to their type. If the strings has literal of methods that won't work in list, like the example what we have to say, and to perform operations or manipulations on the data associated with the object. Methods are the invoked and objects using a dot notation. You can use like this str1 dot upper. It will exactly print the single exactly print the lower cases of characters to the uppercase characters. Python. There is another method like you can convert the string to lower. Actually, if the string is lower, now let me get to another example. You can call it as it is lower. It will print the lower case of the string. That's how this works. And you will also have the title of methods and space case of the swap case of the method and capitalize of the method. The title is converts the first character to the uppercase and the rest of to the lowercase. Let me say in the blog or news headlines, we use that title string as the first character should be a capital and the rest of will be a small letters. For the example, we take the first one of string using title. Yeah, we'll get the first character P to the capital P. There is a lot of strings methods here we can use to convert or make some actions or manipulate the string value in Python. There are the capitalize method and swap case method, find method, etc. There will be a lot of methods in strings that we can use in Python. After conversion of methods, we can see string formatting. The string formatting in Python, refers the process of creating a formatted strings where variables or values are inserted into a string to produce a desired output. There are several methods for string formatting in Python. There are the two methods I'm going to say, like using str.format or using fstrings to print the formatting strings in Python. The fstring format is, for example, we take string 1 and string 2, lowercase string to uppercase strings. Mm, let's say format string equal to, this string is lowercase and this string is then dot format str1 and str2. And then right. Yes. Now we print that or call the variable format string. It will formatted the it will formatted sorry it will format the strings where the variables and values are inserted into a string to produce a desired output. There is a parameter for the format. You can uh, pass the argument that what the strings are going to format in a output statement with the curly braces or enclosed from the beginning and the end of the string. This is the one method we can format the string. The another method we can format the string using fstring. The fstring or provide a concise and readable way to the format strings. They allow embedding expressions directly inside the strings literals. Instead of, we can say, open the double quotation and we started to write the output statement, and in the output statement between we created the curly braces, and after the output statement enclose it with the double quotation, we put a dot method format and we call the parameters to inside the formatted strings. Instead of doing this, we can simply uh, say that format string 1, that f This string is lowercase str1, and this string is uppercase str2. If we get the value of format string 1, will result the same. There is a difference between format string of dot format method calling and f string. In dot format method, you can declare the output statement first and you call the format method and pass the parameters inside the parenthesis to format the strings into the values or a variable that you want to enclose or input it to with it. In f string, this is the string method. You can actually concern and readable way to format the strings to allow embedded expressions directly inside the string literals. The end. Hope you all liked it. Give some thumbs up and look at my GitHub and Discord account link that I given below to know about more updates for videos and program learning journey. To subscribe for the channel to become a programmer. Bye bye.